So first of all, I think we're unaware of how much calories are and what the calories look like and what serving sizes really are. For Americans, we have this sad diet that our government put out, I think, in the 50s or 60s, about how we're supposed to consume about 2,000 calories on an average an adult. Well, that's just not so. I mean, you should figure out what your height and body type requires. So for myself, if I'm just working in office and not out of office, I consume anywhere from 800 to 1,000 calories on a day. But that does not mean that that's a day where I'm working out heavily or doing some big activities. So you find out what works for you and you go from there. And then keep in mind, what does it look like? What is a serving size? Figure that out. Measure, look, weigh, read packages. There's so much material out there. It's easy to do. And the other thing too is you don't have to reinvent the wheel. You don't have to do everything every day right away. So choose one thing. So for me, I love coffee. I loved cream, but I just eliminated the cream, right? Do one thing. Small hinges swing big doors, right? If you are somebody who buys your coffee at Starbucks or a coffee stand, make it at home. You can control the calories much easier. Small things. Over time, I've seen many women that have dropped weight just by doing that alone. So it's small things that we can decide and do, and then they become habit and it's easier to achieve.